Okay, bear spear. Take one. Any sticking?
Yeah.
Oh, bear spear caused devastation, though. I'll give it that. Oh no. Okay, that's the tip of the bear knife. Wow. Bear spear.
It went
All
in
right.
there.
It sure did. It's jammed all the way in there and broke off. Where is it? Oh, there.
If we use the pliers, we won't be able to get it out.
Wow. All right. So, bear spear review.
How much is it? How big a chunk was it that went in there? I mean, that's a pretty good chunk.
Yeah.
You might need to borrow your knife for us.
No.
To get the bear knife off there, you can see from there.
My knife wouldn't cut the wood like that.
The whole tip?
No. Just cut through the twine.
Oh.
The bear's there.
Yeah, the whole tip. Okay.
Don't attach it to a stick.
We need a weapon.
That was awesome though. What a throw.
Pretty crazy. I mean, if you were hunting an animal and you did that, I think you'd have that animal.
I think you're right.
Yeah, I might have just winged it though.
No, but you